Okay, Sarah Jane, I am going to go run some errands and then go to a meeting.
Okay.
Ashla McHugh is a mother of two, 4-year-old Margaret and 7-year-old Mac. She has hired several babysitters in her career as a parent.
I've had babysitters off and on since they were infants. Nothing on a formal basis. It was more just if my husband and I were going out to dinner or had a party, or if I had something during the day in the summertime, especially when they're out of school, that I needed some care for. That's usually when I used them.
Like many parents, McHugh worries about what happens while she is gone.
Bye, have fun. Be good. I guess in some ways I worry that they are being obedient and doing what they need to be doing, but I also worry about any situations that might come up that the babysitter needs to make a decision about, something that maybe wouldn't be a run-of-the-mill thing if somebody had an accident or something like that.
That's why McHugh was thrilled when she found Sarah Jane Ayers to babysit her 2 children. Sarah Jane is a graduate of a class designed specifically to train babysitters.
She told me a few details about it, that they had studied, life-saving and some other things, and that made me feel really good.
The class that Sarah Jane took covers everything from marketing yourself as a babysitter to first aid.
It helps you to prepare and know what's happening. You still need to be nervous, but it helps you know what to do in case of emergencies or anything.
It is a hands-on workshop. Our babysitting training class is. They learn how to pick out the right kind of toys for a certain age child, how to feed certain ages of children, how to choose the correct foods that would be nutritious. We also do some role playing with discipline and behavior situations, and we also do some mock first aid training and how to rescue a choking child.
The class also teaches babysitters like Sarah Jane a life lesson: how to present yourself with professionalism.
We treat it as a professional job since they are literally standing in the place of an adult. And so they bring a special bag of equipment with them that we encourage them to stock with games, things that they would need while they were babysitting, a first aid kit, emergency information, first aid manual, things like that.
So how do you know if a babysitter is right for your family?
Parents need to interview the babysitter as well as the babysitter interview the parents. We teach that is a two-way communication street because they need to know that their babysitter is qualified to stay with their age child, the number of children that they're going to be supervising, and if they have the skills to take care of them safely.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
It is also important for babysitters to learn how to play with children of different ages, how to get on their level and engage them in age-appropriate activities. That was something that was easy for Sarah Jane to pick up. But what's her favorite part of babysitting?
Just playing with the kids because they're so much fun and you get to interact with them and just play with them.
Both children adore her. In fact, the first time she ever babysat for us, we came home and my husband and I asked my daughter how many books that they had read before bed, and she said that Margaret said she made her read 10 books. So we got our money's worth there, I guess.
For Smart Medicine, I'm Lorraine Cachola.